Now this is what 820 horsepower feels and looks like from a standstill. Today we're out here in beautiful Netherlands on a beautiful winter's day, and I'm about to spend some quality romantic time with the 911 Turbo by Brabus. Just look at that. So first and foremost, we got to start out front. You know, it's the first piece of brilliance by Brabus that you see. Let's start straight away with the signature piece. If you're investing in a Brabus upgrade kit, you definitely want to be rocking the original Brabus badge. Straight out the bat, you know what you're dealing with. Up front, there's the full carbon fiber add-on for the front bumper. This one is glossy, yet it's still got the exposed carbon fiber. It hasn't been treated to any paint. Just gives it a touch of race car performance feel. On the sides, these side little aero blades, just enough just to add on and complement the front section, which is the carbon fiber clip-on. One of the best parts of this car are those bad boys. The Monoblock Z Brabus performance wheels. Oh, they just work so well for this car. Obviously staggered fit, it's got 21s in front, 22s in the back. They're really, really nice. The rear sit really well. They occupy the whole arch and they just really work well. On this kit, don't forget, man, we got the Brabus brake upgrade. The side spoilers, they work all the way through. Once again, some aero blade happening towards the rear arch. This is in glossy black. This has been left in carbon fiber just to, you know, balance the color themes that have been worked so well in this car. The rear is really, really special. I'm going to give you some time just to appreciate the rear of this car. Where do we start? The most noticeable part is the carbon fiber wing, proudly brought to you by Brabus, also left in exposed carbon fiber. Usually you either have a wing or a ducktail. They've managed to incorporate both, which work really well. The signature Brabus branding on a nice select carbon fiber. What really, really is prettier is the bottom rear carbon fiber apron that works into a diffuser housing the Brabus tail pieces. If you work yourself in here, you'll see some signature on the tailpiece. So the exhaust looks really good, but besides it cosmetically looking good, I'm gonna ask my friend Janneke to give you a demonstration of how well it sounds on the outside. Like inside, you know, make no mistake, while you're cruising, it sounds good, but when you start to up and she gives you this kind of tone, listen to this carefully. Crispy fresh. And just before I let you go, I want to show you just this little piece which is super cool at night. In the evening, as the gentleman that you are, when you're opening up the door for your beautiful love of your life, this little piece in carbon fiber with red highlights just lights up, and it lets your girl know that she's going to be rocking in style the whole night. Just soaking this in, because it's not every day that you get to drive a Brabus Edition 911 Turbo. This is a solid all good round package, but straight out the bat, Brabus decided we could add a little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more vibes, a little bit more to the already complete package. and that they did excellently. We got red piping, we got red stitching, and just enough to give it that edge and set you apart from the stock rollout of 911 turbos coming out the factory. Down on my pedals as I accelerate, these have also been complemented by a set of Brabus aluminium pedal set. But the best part you're about to hear in the next 30 seconds. Not only did Brabus do the cosmetics on the exterior as well as the interior, they gave this particular Porsche a power upgrade. And in the matter of 3, 2, 1, you are now rocking with 820 horsepower. Man, do I love how the power delivery is being delivered smoothly, yet like quick through the gears. The RPM picks up quickly. The gear shifts, it shifts quickly, precisely, and that makes it for an astonishing good ride. Wow. About the sounds of when the turbo's extra boost gets dumped out into the atmosphere. I'll give you a little bit of that in a second. You ready to hear the dump? Again. One more time. You know, it takes you back to your childhood. It makes you feel good. Just gives you an all-round experience about driving a 911 turbo. And the boost, just, this car is effortless to drive. It's not aggressive in the sense of it's going to break out into a wheel spin. You're going to be doing some counter steering and trying to become a professional drifter in 3 seconds. It's not about that. It's controlled performance and delivered correctly right through the RPM range. The 820 horsepower, it delivers it exquisitely. The whole package looks exquisite. And if you want to own a little bit of exquisiteness, well, roundabout now, this is where you hit our link, go through to our Absolute Motors signature cars, and you could purchase that exquisite 911 by Brabus today.